Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a powerful strategy that you can use to trade the boom and crash. Okay, you can use this strategy to trade against spike. Take 5 candle and you won't be caught with any spike. Okay, so I'm going to keep this video very simple and short, so make sure you watch the video till the end and don't skip any part. Okay, because I'm going to be dropping some important information that you will need to grow your small account. Okay, as you all know, this channel is all about the small account. Okay, because the strategy I post here is the strategy that will help you to grow that $10 account that you have been struggling to grow, but you are still blowing it. So in my strategy, you are sure to grow that account. Okay, so make sure you stick to this video till the end and don't skip any part. Okay, and before we go into that, if you are a new viewer, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. Okay, so to my returning viewers, I appreciate you all for the love and support. May God continue to bless you all, and I wish you all a profitable journey in the forex market. Okay, alright, so with that out of the way, back to the business of the day. Now, for this strategy, I'm going to keep it very simple and short. For our condition, the first thing you need to observe before taking an entry is to first of all you allow the red and blue line, okay, to touch the oversold level. Sorry, to allow it to touch the oversold level, which is our 15 level here. Okay, it's either the red touch it or the blue touch it, anyone, as far as one of it touch the line. Okay, that is your first condition being met. Now the second thing you need to observe, okay, is to wait for a crossing to occur. Okay, is it you wait for the red to cross above the blue line. Okay, as you can see right here, we are on crash. Okay, we are on crash 1000 right here. So before I forget, this strategy, it works on only boom and crash 1000. Okay, you don't need to go and be using it on crash 500 or boom 500. Okay, only use it on boom 1000 and crash 1000. Okay, because we are trading against spike, and here on the boom and crash 1000 there are more ticks than spike. Okay, so you make sure you use it on boom and crash 1000. Okay, so that is out of the way now. And for the zoom level, you have to zoom out completely and then zoom in twice. Okay, in order to get a clearer view of what the market is doing, or in order to be able to see the candlesticks. Okay, so that is it. So now you have already gotten the conditions. You wait for price to get to the overbought or the oversold level, and then you wait for the crossing to occur, and then you enter. Okay, immediately the crossing happen, you go in. Okay, and you are to take only 5 candles, guys, only 5 candles. Okay, I've back tested this strategy and you are going to succeed with it only by taking 5 candles. Okay, if you take more than 5 candles, you are on your own. Okay, if you take more than 5 candles and you get hit by a spike and blow your account, you are on your own. Okay, so make sure you take only 5 candles and you are going to be on the right path. Okay, so you wait for the crossing to occur right here. As you can see, the crossing occur right here, and then you can see you be able to take your 5 candles and you are out. Okay, even if the price is going up, that is not your business anymore. Okay, you have succeeded in taking your 5 candles. That is okay for you. Okay, you don't want to just get rich overnight. Okay, you just need something that you'll be consistent with. Okay, that will consistently be giving you profit, and with time you get it there. Okay, so just stick to the rules I've given and you will be on the right path. As you can see right here, same thing happened here, it cross, take your 5 candles, you are out. Okay, as you can see, this one right here, guys, is fluctuating, going up and down, and from this area here, it's not touching the 15 level, so it's not safe to take trade with this kind of situation. Okay, don't take any trade. Okay, only wait for it to get to the overbought level, which is either the 85 zone here or the 15 level. So right here on crash, we are going to be waiting for it to get to the overbought level, which is the oversold level, which is the 15 level down here. Okay, so once it gets to that level, you wait for the crossing to occur, and then you take your buy entry. Okay, and then you take only 5 candles and you are out. Okay, so that is how the strategy works. Okay, that is how it works. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys the setup right now. The first indicator we have here is the awesome oscillator, which is very simple to set up. Okay, these are just the setting, you don't need anything more. Okay, just the way you are seeing it on my screen, you do it that way. And if you are using a black background, you make sure you change this to black. Okay, this right here I use white, so you are to use black on your own so that it won't show. Okay, then after that you click on done. The second indicator here is the relative strength index. Okay, now this is how you are going to set it up. First of all, you add the awesome oscillator, then you add the relative strength index for your levels. Okay, this is the relative strength index doesn't have anything important to do. Okay, it's just the levels. You need it for the levels. Okay, that's why I use it. Okay, you need it for the level. So you make the period 1, apply to close the style, you make it 1 pixel, you make the color white. Okay, then these are the important one, the levels, make it 15 and 85. Okay, I use 2 pixel here, and then I use color black. Okay, because I'm using a white background. Okay, so if you're using a black, you can make it black. Okay, and after that you click on done. Then the next indicator here is the moving average. Okay, you can see the period is 1, shift 0, method simple, apply to its first indicators data. Okay, which is very important. Then under the style we have 4 pixel and the color is red, but you can use any color of your choice. Okay, then after that you click on done. Then the last indicator here is also a moving average. Okay, but the setting is different. So the period for the last moving average is 15, the shift is 0, method is simple, apply to first indicators data. Okay, then under the style we have 4 pixel, I use blue color. Okay, that's the red and blue color line you are seeing on the indicator window. Okay, so after that you click on done, then you see it like this. Okay, these are the moving average you are seeing here, the red and blue. Okay, they are very important, so make sure you take note of that. So this is how it is. Okay, this is how it is. So just take it, use it and make money. Okay, grow that small account. Okay, and make sure you stick to the rules I give and be very careful, guys, very careful. So that is it, guys. If you get value, please make sure you hit that like button, and if you are a new viewer, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I'll be dropping powerful strategy like this from time to time, so you don't want to miss that. Make sure you join the family. Okay, thank you, guys. Silver out.